I was trying to do some Duolingo.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
It is Studio Neese, and I know you are surprised to hear a voice, but I am here, and we are, first of all, we want to apologize for not being on deck more than what we had to be, or what we were able to be, because things have been very, very busy. And I have been debating for a while of whether I should go live and actually put my voice on the channel, but I've decided I will do a little bit and just kind of see what happens. So let me know if it's something that you like, or is it something that you don't like. We're just going to kind of just step it up a little bit. We really appreciate everything that you have done in supporting this channel. Would you believe it has been 2 years since I started this? And it's been absolutely great. The biggest problem now is just trying to find time to do it. But hey, here we are.
Does anybody else sneeze like 50 million times a day, or is it just me? Nothing helps. I just sneeze. Oh my god, that one was like never gonna happen, I swear. Every morning, this is me. No medicine helps. What is wrong with me? I think I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! 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 Okay, I usually sneeze when I put perfume on, that's why I was filming, but all of a sudden the sneezes came over. Let's see if I sneeze again. That might really good. Achoo! Huh? Achoo! I think I'm done. I just sneezed 15 times. I feel like there's more coming. I'm not sick. I literally just sat down to pee and sneezed 15 times while I was peeing, and couldn't record it because I didn't take my phone in the bathroom with me because it was just gonna be a quick pee. And now I sound like I've had a cold for 10 days. I literally am not sick. Why did I sneeze 15 times? I killed it because I was okay, it's half an hour later and I still I sound like I am sick. What demon has possessed my body tonight?
I guess the biggest thing that, I get asked the most or get summoned is that people want to know, is this a brand of the gorgeous ladies of Sneeze? And I have to say that it is not. We are totally two separate entities. And the guy that runs the GLOS brand, that is somebody totally different. And they've been doing it for 15 years or whatever. But they do let us use some of their content, providing, we have to sometimes pay a little bit, and then we have to get their permission because we can't just post it, without their permission. But yeah, two separate entities, but we really do appreciate them so much because they do allow us to kind of take the channel to another level. So yeah, support GLOS.
Good. Okay.
Ay, Dios mío.
That stuff is strong.
Okay, we got one.
There we go. Much quicker than last time.
I never been so happy to sneeze in my life. Okay. It's hard to look cute and sneeze at the same time.
You do a great job, man.
Yeah, I have to let the sun make me sneeze. I do not sneeze indoors. So yeah. It's very annoying, but I love the outdoors. Oh my god!
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
Holy crap. I keep sneezing. Okay.